Is your Tesla Model 3 glove box refusing to open? You're not alone. This video breaks down the common causes from jammed latches and power loss to software glitches. Common causes include jammed latches, power loss, and software glitches. These affect the electronic latch system that Tesla uses instead of traditional mechanical ones. We'll cover what's happening and how Tesla has addressed this issue in recent years, especially in models from 2022 to 2024. Software updates are often blamed, but the real culprit is usually power or mechanical failure. Learn about the electronic latch system and why it sometimes fails, and whether software updates are truly to blame. This is particularly important if you drive an older Model 3. The Model 3 glove box uses an electronic latch, not a traditional one. Let's look at the key components. The actuator motor, which locks and unlocks, the 12-volt auxiliary battery that powers the actuator, and the software integration linked to the car's computer. Failures typically stem from a low 12-volt battery, physical latch problems like debris, or software bugs. Understanding these components is the first step to diagnosing the problem. Before scheduling a service appointment, try the manual release as your first line of defense. This hidden emergency lever is accessible inside the glove box frame and can override the electronic latch. First, gently pry open the glove box using your fingers. Apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the frame. Once open, look inside the glove box frame for the emergency lever. It's often a red tab or cable that's hidden but easy to spot. Pull the red tab or cable firmly but gently. This overrides the electronic latch and should pop the glove box fully open. This manual release is a crucial troubleshooting step. It can help you access important documents or reach the 12-volt battery if needed, avoiding unnecessary service visits. A depleted 12-volt battery is often the culprit behind a stuck glove box. The glove box actuator motor relies on this battery for power. If the glove box stops working after periods of inactivity, like long parking, the 12-volt battery may have drained. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. A healthy 12-volt battery reads around 12.6 volts. Below 12 volts indicates it needs charging. If the battery is dead, jumpstart the car using jumper cables and another vehicle. Connect positive to positive, negative to ground. Regularly check your 12-volt battery health. Keep the car plugged in during long inactivity. Replace old batteries to avoid future issues. Software updates can sometimes cause command mismatches, jamming the latch. While Tesla has released updates to address this, glitches can still occur. Check your Tesla app for error codes related to the glove box actuator. A software reinstall or a factory reset, if you're comfortable doing so, might resolve the problem. If the manual release and software fixes don't resolve the glove box issue, it's time to seek professional help from Tesla service. A faulty actuator motor or damaged latch mechanism typically requires replacement parts that only trained technicians can install safely. Tesla service centers have diagnostic tools to identify the exact problem and perform the necessary repairs. Remember, attempting complex repairs yourself could void your vehicle warranty and potentially cause further damage. To prevent future glove box issues, focus on regular maintenance of key components. Regularly monitor your 12-volt auxiliary battery's health through the Tesla app or vehicle screen. Look for voltage levels and state of health indicators. Install software updates promptly when available. These updates often include fixes for actuator and latch issues, improving overall reliability. Invest in a portable jump starter to handle battery depletion situations. This can provide a quick solution if your 12-volt battery fails. Tesla has implemented hardware refinements in 2024 and later Model 3s, including better latch mechanisms and redundant power systems for improved reliability. By staying proactive with maintenance and updates, you can avoid most glove box issues and enjoy a smoother Tesla ownership experience. Real-world case studies provide valuable lessons in handling Tesla Model 3 glove box issues. In 2023, Tesla recalled 10,000 Model 3s due to latch failures caused by power surge bugs in software version 11.0. Owners reported boxes jamming during updates, creating frustration and safety concerns. Tesla resolved this with free over-the-air fixes, though some required hardware replacements. Experts from automotive sources recommend enhanced diagnostics in the Tesla app for quicker identification of issues. They also advocate for haptic feedback in future models, providing instant alerts when latches get stuck. This would revolutionize car interfaces by giving drivers immediate tactile warnings. Statistics show significant improvement in glove box reliability. Reports dropped from 15% of Model 3 owners experiencing problems in 2024 to just 5% in 2025. This decline is attributed to Tesla's ongoing software updates and hardware refinements, setting a benchmark for electric vehicle reliability. Understanding these real-world examples and expert insights will help you stay prepared for any glove box issues that might arise with your Tesla Model 3.